I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down and removing power. This prevents shorts. Once off, unplug everything and flip the laptop over. Make sure to ground yourself, touch metal or use an anti-static strap so you don't fry components. Remove the battery if it's user removable. Otherwise, note battery location. Remove the access panel or bottom cover using the correct screwdriver and keep screws labeled. Now you've exposed the internals. Take a quick photo to remember cable positions before proceeding with drives. You now identify the drive type and why that matters. M2 slides out at an angle while a 2.5 SSD is often mounted in a caddy. Once you know the type, remove any retaining screws. For a 2.5 drive, gently unplug the SATA and power leads, then slide the bay out. For M2, unscrew the standoff and lift the drive out at a shallow angle. Do not pull straight up. Keep screws safe and note any foam or thermal pad placement for reassembly. You remove the SSD and immediately place it in an anti-static bag or secure adapter. That protects it during transport. Once removed, reassemble the bottom cover enough to test boot if you want to confirm removal success. Reconnect battery last to avoid shorts. If the system fails to boot or the drive is not recognized, power down and reseat the connector, then check BIOS or UEFI for detected storage. If problems persist, try the drive in a USB enclosure to verify functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.